Hi, this is Tamala's Testimonials, and I am doing a review on a wine subscription box called VineOH with an OH. I thought I would surprise my husband by doing a romantic little night out on the deck with the fire and some wine and some cheese and crackers and charcuterie. And so I think we'll just go ahead and get right into it. This subscription box comes with 2 bottles of wine, as well as I think it's like 5 or 6 or maybe even 7 different gifts that come inside of it. They're usually tailored to women, but I figured if a lot of women looked at this, they might think the same thing and do something nice for their husband. So, with that being said, I'm going to hold that if you don't mind. Don't open it yet because I need to. It's a surprise.
Okay.
But it comes with a box, and there's 2 bottles of wine in here. You can subscribe to either reds or whites or a mixture of both, and I have done a mixture of both. And I did look into the middle of it and saw that it was all about love, so that's hence why my husband is out here. There is a Chardonnay called Mad Love, and you can't see the writing on the back of it, but it's horrible, but I will try to read it. And if you don't mind opening that while we're waiting. And then there's another bottle called New Crush, and that's the red. So I'll have you open that as well so that it can open up. I'm going to read a little bit about what the Chardonnay is about, and then I'll read you about the New Crush. Chardonnay is the Mad Love, and it says, Mad love is rare. It is a passionate love that stands the test of time. Mad Love Chardonnay is a rare find that we want to share with you. With aromas of lime zest, floral accents, and notes of pear and grapefruit, this is a real fruitful Chardonnay. It has a smooth, soft mouthfeel with a creamy finish, making it our Mad Love. So we'll try that one. And then the New Crush is a blend of red wine. I'm going to keep it then. A New Crush is exciting, often unexpected. It's a time to savor the moment. This feeling inspired our New Crush wine, creating an exciting and memorable flavor palette to be enjoyed and savored with every sip. Here, if you want to open that, you can put those in here. It says memorable flavor palette to be enjoyed and savored with every sip. It's our New Crush. New Crush Red Blend is a medium-bodied wine with bold, fruit-forward flavors of black cherry, boysenberry jam, layered with a mild oakiness and a hint of cedar. An infatuating blend of luscious red flavors and a slight touch of sweetness. Okay, so you can open up that. And basically, this box is $59, but I have a discount code of $10 off, and I'll post that in the comments. And then you can obviously use that to your discretion. You can either buy a 1 month, or it comes in 4 different subscriptions. Actually, how do I say this? It comes 4 times a year, sorry. And then you can either do a $250 box, or you can just pay the $59 each month. And for this price, figuring that each one of these bottles is at least probably $20, plus we'll see what the gifts are, that's a great deal. And again, with $10 off, I'll put the coupon code in and you can try it for yourself. So, for the Chardonnay, I'm actually going to use this tonight to make some chicken limonada because I need a white wine for it. While we're doing that, we can taste this and then open up the box of goodies. Thank you. Hello. My Mad Love. That's good. And you're not usually a white wine drinker. Well, I can't wait for. It's too bad we didn't bring out our area. Okay, so this is the box of goodies, and it comes packaged, bubble wrap, and then these are little cards that tell about each item that comes in here. Looks like this is some chocolate, and it's in a wine glass shape. Can you take that close to the camera?
A little wine glass.
That's pretty cool. Chocolate. And Dory's Wine Chocolates. Wine glass chocolate treat. What's better than wine and chocolate? We couldn't think of anything either. This super cute, scrumptious wine glass shaped dark chocolate is a perfect, delicious treat. You're welcome. That's pretty cool. Just keep these here. And then this looks like it is a leather wallet, credit card holder. Kiko Leather Slim Card Pocket Case. For those fun nights out, grab this beautiful handcrafted leather case and go. Fits easily in any purse, clutch, or even pocket. The perfect accessory for the minimalist woman on the go. Yeah, without, just stick it in your pocket. Okay, so that's pretty neat. And then, if you want to, you can. We can pour it in there. This is chairware, a stylish portable chair accessory with a hidden zip pocket to keep your valuables secure. Fits most lounge chairs, easy to personalize, quick dry, microfiber. I'm going to go get the area. The last one to get a knife. That's a pretty cool one. Mad Love. I like that model. This is a chair cover. Perfect for when we go to the beach. If we ever get there. Okay, so it's and it says, this fun chairware is an accessory you won't want to leave home without. From sporting events to pools to sandy beaches, this portable chairware cover will mark your spot, plus keep your valuables hidden in a secret pocket. Well, it's obviously secret. Oh, here's a secret. So there's a secret pocket inside. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a zipper here. Your secret valuables. Let's just see what it. Soft too. Press the pockets on the inside. There you go. Plus it has a little drawstring to tighten it up. Okay. And then we have Mary Square. Mary Square is a designer mouse pad. You obviously haven't opened this stuff up. There we go. Oh, that's cute. It's all a little polka dotty.
Comes in touching pink.
Yes, touching pink. Who doesn't love a cute and fashionable mouse pad to brighten workspace? We certainly do. Mary Square has fun styles that are sure to make you smile each time you use it. Made of neoprene material, which includes a non-skid rubber bottom. Styles vary. So I guess you could spill on it and it'll be fine. Take that. Will you take that to the camera and show it? Okay, and then we have body oil. Pyrenees lavender with cardamom. Egocentric skincare. And this says NGO Organics Body Oil. Smooth your skin, soothe your senses with this amazing organic body oil. This oil is the perfect remedy for dry skin, tense muscles, and can be used for both massage or for everyday rituals of self-care to keep skin looking youthful and feeling soft. Just apply after bathing while skin is still damp. Try adding a few drops to your favorite lotion, shampoo, or conditioner, or for added silkiness and wonderful scent. Smell it before I put it on. Oh my gosh, that's very lavendery. I love lavender. I'm gonna rub you down. That doesn't calm me down too much. Okay, let me see you later. That smells good. That's very lavendery. I love lavender. Okay, so that's awesome. So that's chocolate 1, the oil 2, the mouse pad 3, the chair cover 4, the leather case, that's 5. I think that's it. Last time I got a box, I got 6 gifts, and they were awesome. They came with a water bottle and oh my gosh, more chocolate, and I can't remember, but if you go to my YouTube, you'll see what that is. All right, so you want to try that red. Gosh, that stuff. Oh, that smells good. I thought I could put this in the bathtub too. Lavender is soothing, tension relieving, and relaxing. Cardamom is purifying, invigorating, and uplifting. So I guess it'll do both. Salud. My mad love. I know some friends of ours that will really like this.
Peters.
We've got some personal sommeliers that have taught us how to aerate and enjoy fine wine. That's why I am really pleased about this box, because I'm sure that they'll love this, plus a lot of other people. The last box I did with a girls' night out, and that was a lot of fun. And so this time I thought, like I said, I would surprise my husband with a nice little charcuterie platter and fire and enjoy a nice romantic evening out on the deck. Hope you enjoyed. Again, I will place the information in the comments section of my YouTube thing, and there will be a code for you to get $10 off. So now it's $49, which is a great, great deal. Salud. You're welcome.